minus minus is equals to plus. Minus plus is equals to minus. Plus minus is equals to minus, and plus plus is equals to what? Plus. Good. So now let me tell you a better way to make use of these things. If you have a number, don't write here. Please listen. Whenever I'm talking, you just start listening and listening. It's better to acquire it, learn, understand it, and put it down. Sometimes you may not even have the time to go through what you wrote. Listen. So here, if you have minus 5 minus 3. Now, if this thing has the same sign, so it is plus. This has the same sign, it is plus. So listen, if the numbers you are having, the numbers you are working on or you are summing, now this works on either plus or minus. If the number you are summing up together have the same sign, so this is minus 5 minus, what you do is to add. What you do is to add the numbers, and it will retain the sign, one of the signs, since they are the same. So you are going to be having minus what? 8. Minus what? 8. So if you have 4 plus 7, hope you know this is the same as plus 4 plus 7.
Yes.
So this is plus 4 plus 7. And because it is the same sign, when you have plus in front of a number, and there is no number before that number, so it is invisible. So there is plus here, but it becomes invisible. Just like having x. The equation of this x is the same thing as 1, but you don't need to put this 1. It becomes invisible. Are you with me? So now, plus plus, you still add the number, retaining the sign in front of it. 4 plus 7 give us plus 11. But because there is no sign, there is no number in front of it, so you just write what? 11. Right with me? Now imagine they give you a number like 7 minus 6 minus 4. See, when you have a number like this, unlike what you are taught of doing, okay, if you have plus 3, even though you were taught of doing in addition in board math, according to board math, that you should do addition before subtraction. When you encounter a number this way, it is best to go after the ones with the same sign. So these have the same sign with this. This has minus and this has minus. We have two major signs, which is either plus or minus. So this have minus and this is minus. So some the ones with minus retaining the sign, some the ones with plus retaining the sign. So which are the ones? The ones with plus will have 7 and 3. So 7 plus 3 will give us what? 10. Now minus 4 minus this will give us what? Because they have the same sign, you're going to add them together. 4 plus this, which gives us 10. Retaining the sign in front of it, which is going to be what? Minus 10. 10 minus 10 will give us what? 0. Are you with me?
Yes.
So now, let me have a question here that, let's know whether I can have a complicated question. I have a question that says 4 times bracket 15 minus 7 of 4 divided by 8. Now, if you have a question like this, as simple as this question may look, or direct this question may look, some people may still make mistakes. Making use of board maths in solving this question, what do? You work on the bracket first. You go to the bracket. So you have 4 times the bracket. 15 minus 7 give us what? 15 minus 7 give us 8. So we have times 8. The bracket is out. What the bracket means is that you should simplify this first. It's highlighting a number of figures that you should work on first. So after simplifying, the bracket is out. Are you with me? So now you have 8 of 4 divided by what? 8. You may solve this in direct and get it, but you should obey the law here. So you should have done what we are meant to do is to do this of this. So you do off first. The bracket is out, the next thing is off. This of this. So 8 times 4 give us what? Off is equally doing multiplication, but when it is off, you have to get that before going to multiplication. You have 4 times 8 times is give us what? 32. 32 divided by 8. After division, what we have next is division. So after off, the next thing we have is division. 32 divided by 8 will give us what? 4. So we have 4 times 4 and the answer is what? 16. Now let's have another question. We may get to where we encounter other questions. Now we have something like 7. This question, let me ask somebody. Amara, what is the answer to this question? Okay, what's the answer to the question?
63.
Huh?
63.
No? What's the answer to the question?
7.
7 is correct. Now see what's happened. According to the board maths, there's no bracket, there is no off, there is no division, multiplication. multiplication, you do multiplication first, not according to the number that appear first. So 0 times 9 will give us what? 0. So we have 7 minus 0. 7 minus 0 is what? 7. But 0 minus 7 is what? 0. 0 minus 7 is what?
Minus 7.
It will give us minus 7. Are you with me? 0 minus 7 is minus 7. I will teach you that concept. Listen. When you have 4, let me clean this part of the board and teach you something. My desire today is that at the end of today, anytime you have this additional subtraction, as simple as you will say additional subtraction and multiplication, some people lose marks because of this, due to this. So now, if you have something like 4 minus 7, do you understand that here we have two different signs? We have plus and minus. Are you with me? So when you have two different signs this way, what you do is the bigger minus the smaller. The what? The bigger minus. I will tell you the trickish part of mathematics, what they could do to get you. In fact, most people don't know this, including in university. Imagine having something like 4.7 minus 7.4. Do you know that you will definitely say it cannot go? Huh? You know you will say it cannot go. Do you know? But it can. What do? Take the bigger number up and the smaller number down. What this thing simply means, bring it to a normal straight line. So this is the question here. So what you do is the bigger minus the smaller, then the answer will retain the answer, the sign of the bigger. The answer will retain the sign in front of the word bigger. But if the number is equal, then the answer will be 0. That's why when you have 10 minus 10, the first 10 is plus, the second 10 is minus, so the answer became what? 0. If the figures are equal with different signs, the answer is 0. But if the figures are different, if the figures, one of them is bigger, one of them is lesser, then the answer will definitely be the answer will have the sign of the what? Bigger number. So if you have this, something like this, definitely you already know the answer will be what? Minus. Are you with me? Because the sign in front of the bigger figure here is what? Minus. That doesn't mean that 7 is bigger than 4. Are you with me? When they talk about values, 4 is bigger than minus 7. Someone who owns 4 is richer than someone who is owing what? 7. Someone who owns is bigger than the person who is owing 7. So now, here, you'll be having 7 minus 4 will give us what? 3. So the answer here is what? Minus 3. But if you have something like minus 8 minus 4, the answer, since it is both minus, you just the answer will be in minus because they have the same sign. Just pick one. This plus this will give us what? 12. Are you with me? So then if you have 4, if you have minus 7 plus 9, let me this kind of question some people will go and do because they said addition first in board maths, you go and add them. Or let me ask my board. What's the answer to this? Huh? Okay. You.
The answer to it is
Yes, minus 2. Minus 2 is not correct. 2 is correct. Now listen. First of all, to know the sign that the answer will retain. To know the answer, the sign. The bigger number between 7 and 9, which one is bigger figure? 9. And the sign in front of 9 is what? Plus. So the answer will definitely be plus. Then 9 minus 7 is what? Why are we doing minus? If the sign is different, are you with me? If the sign is different, you minus. If the signs are different, the sign here is minus, the sign here is plus or minus. But if the signs are the same, whether minus, you're going to add, retaining the sign in front of one of them, either plus or minus. If it is plus, you retain the sign plus. If it is minus, you retain the sign what? Minus. Am I communicating? But if the sign is different, no matter you place the one having minus and the one having plus, do the bigger minus the smaller, then the sign in front of the bigger will be retained. Am I communicating? So here we have 9 minus this is what? 2. The sign in front of the bigger is plus, so the answer is just 2. Are you with me? Now let's go to other questions. From this question, we may get to. Now I said something with this. The answer, this thing, for you to do this, rearrange it by yourself. If they by mistake give you this kind of question, rearrange it by yourself and have 7.4. Don't say that they have made mistake, minus 4.7. Then do the minus. After doing the minus, the answer will definitely be minus. Yes. Because the one bearing this minus is actually the exam one. So you now do this minus this, you cannot borrow one and make this one what? 40. 40 minus this will give us what? 7. Remaining 6 here, bring your point down. 6 minus this will give us what? 2. So our answer is what? Minus 2.7. So I have a question here, and the question will be simplify 1/3 bracket 12 divided by 4 minus 4 times 5 of 2/3. In the exam, there's no way in mathematics exam and competition, when I mean mathematics exam, even in entrance exam, you know, in entrance exam, most entrance exam is just mathematics and English, and either mathematics exam or competition, mathematics competition, there is no way you will not get major part of the question often come from directed numbers. They won't tell you directed numbers. In fact, directed numbers seems to not be a topic. Sometimes people will pass, they will teach you these topics under fraction, they will teach you under addition and subtraction, and they will not go into it as directed numbers, making children not to have adequate knowledge of this addition and subtraction. As simple as it sounds, addition and subtraction in figures, it is very vital or important. Now, look here. When you have a number like this, we have, in as much as we are observing the borders, what do you do here? 1/3. Let's look at the one with bracket. 12 divided by this will give us what? 3. Whether you put it in bracket or you put multiplication, you know that you have simplified it. This bracket equally means multiplication. Are you with me? So minus 4 times 5 of 2/3. This of, let's turn it to multiplication where we'll be having times. But let's work on it first. Are you with me? Let's work on it first before even talking about this 4. So if you work on it first, what will you have? You'll be having if the whole number cannot work with the denominator. What I mean by work with the denominator, if the denominator cannot divide it, are you with me? Or no factor can go into both of them, then use the whole number to times the numerator. So you'll be having 1/3 times 3 minus 4 times, this times this give us what? 10/3. Am I communicating? So now 3 cancel 3, are you with me? We'll be having 1 minus, now this will give us, 4 times this will give us what? 40/3. So it will give us 40/3. This will give us 40/3. And when you have 40/3, listen, when you have 40/3, what do? What you do here is you do 1 minus, you can actually turn this to 3/3 minus 40/3. This one turns to, you choose to make it denominator by denominator into what we call like fraction. Are you with me? So you pick, so you can pick one of the denominator and do 3 minus 40, and it will give us what? Minus what? Minus 37/3. And this is your answer. No, it's when you have minus in the numerator, it is in most cases don't leave it as improper fraction. Are you with me? So because you know why? Now the relationship between the one, so she asks, can we change this to mixed fraction? This is what people get wrong here. If you change this to mixed fraction, will you decide to write 30? You know, 3 going to 36 will give us what? 12. Will you say minus 12 whole number 1/7? Hope you know that the relationship between this, all over 3 rather. So hope you know that the relationship between this is actually the relationship between the whole number and the fraction is plus. Are you aware? So in other way around, if you are trying to convert it, it's whole number times denominator plus numerator. Now minus 12 times 6 will actually give you minus 36, right? Plus 1. Minus 36 plus 1.
Minus 35.
Are you with me? It is minus 35, not minus 37. Minus 36 plus 1. This is different signs, so you are going to do minus. And it will take the sign in front of the bigger. So it is 36 minus 1, which is 35. The 35, and the sign in front of the bigger number is what? Minus. Are you getting the logic here? So there is no way you express it this way. And again, another thing is that the relationship between these two figures is plus. So you have minus 12 plus 1/3. Are you with me? So there's, you don't, if you after solving your number, solving a fraction, and the numerator happens to have minus, and it is actually an improper fraction, leave it like that. Are you with me? Just leave it like that. Okay, let's clean this part. If you actually want to get this, then it will have been 2 here. Hope you know.
Yes, sir.
If you want to get this, even with this times this give us, it's not even with the 2, it will still work. Because it will give us, if you work on it now, it will give us, this times give us minus 36 plus 2, which will give us minus 34. So no need to even do that. Now, the reason why we had such question, such thing, now I'll question. So times 4.2 plus bracket. So according to VicxMaths, we work on this bracket first. So this minus this will give us what? 2 plus 4.2 times 3 divided by what? 1.5. Hope you know that 1.5 divided by 3. Since 3 going into this, it is less than 3 going into 1, it is less than what? 3. So it's 0 carry what? 1. Do to your point down. Put that 1 here, it becomes 15. 3 going to 15 becomes what? 5. So we have 0.5 times 4.2 plus 2. Now, there are some points to get to mathematics. Every time you see 0.5, you already know it is half. So half of 4.2 is actually what? 2.1. Are you with me? So in another way around, you can decide to do it any way you want. You can decide to say, listen, in multiplication of decimals, when you want to multiply, you find how many decimal places the number is. How many decimal places is these figures? This one is 1 decimal place, right? Why this is what? 1 decimal place. Altogether, the number we are multiplying is going to give us 2 decimal places. So it means that after multiplying our answer, our result, our product is going to be in what? 2 decimal place. So now, after doing this, you remove the decimal. You find that the answer will be, you remove the decimal. So we'll be having 0.5, which is 10 times 5, times 42 plus 2. 5 times 2 is 10, right? 0 carry what? 1. 5 times this is what? 20 plus 1, 21. 2 decimal place. You count from the back, 1, 2. So you have 2.10. 0 after decimal doesn't make any sense. So you just leave that 2.1 plus what? 2. So 2.1 plus 2 will definitely give us, this is a whole number. And this is centered as 2.0. Are you with me? This is centered as 2.0. So you'll be having 2 plus 2 will give us 4. So you'll be having 4.1. Now, let's know whether we'll go to what is a bit harder. Now, let's go to a part in. I would like to use the opportunity to teach you how to convert to fraction. This is not hard, but for the purpose, for the benefit of those watching online who don't know it, those who are watching live or those who come across the video after. Now, if you have a question this way, and they say simplify this question, are you with me? They say we should simplify this question. I all follow you. So now, if you have to simplify this question, what do? According to VicxMaths, we'll do what? Division first. But it is very pretty good that these numbers are in decimals. So what you do now is, I can solve it directly, but it will not be bad for us to do what? Convert this number to fractions. So converting to fraction, you all know how to convert to fraction. Converting this one to fraction, this is all over. The point we regard the point to come down as what? 1, the point is out. Before the point, how many decimal places is there? 2. So we have 2 zeros. So the point is out. We have 105 now, all over 100. Divided now, this one is already in this. So converting this, the point comes down as 1. How many decimal places here? 1. So you write it down as what? Are you with me? So now we'll be having 105 all over 100 divided by 21, which is the same as all over 1. Divided by 45, which is all over 10, times 18 over what? 1. So when you have a question this way, what you do is you do one. You know that I used to say that fraction is already, and you see that all over is division, all over is that fraction already. So no need, this thing is centered at 105 divided by 100. So no need of solving fraction with decimal. Instead of that, we do convert it to what? Multiplication, and invert the number immediately after the division. So this is all over 100 times 1 go up and 21 come down. Now times 10 go up and 45 come down, times 18 over 1. Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
So this 0 can cancel the 0 here. Are you with me? Then which number can go again?
5 can go.
5 here. 5 here is 2. 5 here 1. Then 5 here is what? 9. 21 here 1. 21 here is out. Are you with me?
Yes. 9 here 1. 9
9
here.
here 1. 9 here 2. So 1 times 2 will give us 2. 1 times, okay, we have 10. This is 10. 10 times 1 is 10. Times 1, 10. So all over 10. Now, I hope you know that this number, you can now convert it to decimal. 2 over 10 is actually called decimal fraction. We can reduce it, we can convert it to decimal, we can reduce it. 2 here is what? 1, 2 here is 5. If you leave it like this, you have 1 over 5 as in fraction. But if you want to convert it to decimal, it's better to convert it when it is in this form, where you have 2 over 10. So when you have 2 over 10, what do you do? Cancel 0 here, move your point from the back. Any number without decimal, the point is at what? Back or the end. The point is what? That's why even in English, sentence is ended by full stop. So it means a number without full stop, a number without points or decimal, there is invisible decimal at the end. So this is statistics you need to know. When I've said about 3 invisible figures, I said that in any variable without a coefficient, there is invisible 1 in front of it as a coefficient. And equally say that any number without sign in front of it, there is invisible plus in front of it as a sign. Then every number without a denominator, there is invisible 1 as a denominator. So you can always make every number all over 1. So any number that's all whole numbers without denominators are centered as all over 1, making it a fraction. Then I just said all decimals. So let's look at this. Here we'll cancel 0 and move the point from here. Every number has decimal at the end. Any number without decimal, the decimal is at the end. So move the point from here to here, just one place because we have 1 0 here. And the point is not here. Before any number, if there is no number, then you put 0. So we have 0.2. This is the answer. Either this or this, depending on what the option gives you. We'll go ahead with more questions. Here we have it. After this, I'll give you a question. This may sound, after this one, I'll give you a question as well. Please rejoice, behave yourself.
Yes, sir.
I hope people are following. Please, your attention should be on you learning something.
Study something.
Yes, I'll solve this question. So, very afraid.
Yes,
Okay, when you have a question this way, listen. If you have a question this way, after this, I'll give you a classwork. After the classwork, we'll look at past questions to get directed numbers. Questions on directed numbers from different parts of the basically from topic. Now, when you have this, first thing is to go after solving this question first, the one in the brackets. Listen, we have it 7 over 9 times 11 over 20 divided by 2 over 5. What's the LCM of these numbers? Let's just go straight. What's the LCM of 2, 3, and 5? The LCM of 2, 3, and 5 is what? 30. So we have 30. 30 divided by 3 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. Plus 30 divided by 2 is what? 15. 15 times 1, 15 minus 30 divided by 5 is 6. 6 times 4 is what? 24. Close brackets. Off. But let's express as times. Times what? This times plus this is what? This times this is 7 plus 2, 9 over 7. Are you with me? So now, here what do you have? 20, this, add the ones with sum. This is plus, this is plus. So let's immediately add the one with sum. 20 plus this will give us 35. So we have 35 minus 24, which will give us 1, and this will give us what? 1. So we have 11 over what? 30. So we have 7 over 9 times 11 over 20 divided by 11 over what? 30 times 9 over what? 7. So you can actually do this. Listen. You can decide to do this times this to give us. Please pay attention. You can decide to do this times this. Since this cannot divide this and this cannot divide this. Or this division can change this number alone. And we have it 7 over 9 times 11 over 20 times 30 over 11. Are you with me? This go into this go into this go into this, and 0 cancels 0. So our answer is going to be 3 over 2, which is 1 over 2. Now let me cross check something. Let's know. Pay attention.
Yes,
let's check if we had, you know that the actual thing is that we do this first. The reason is that here was what? Off. Here was what?
Yeah,
off. So you do off first before division. So let's break it into that pieces. So we have 11 over 30 times 9 over 7. Since it cannot go, we have 99 over 200 and what? 10. Are you with me? So now we're having 7 over 9 times 11 over 20 times, you know we're going to be times, then this go up, 210 all over 99. 0 cancel 0. So we have 11 here 1, 11 here 9. And we have it, here is left, we are left with 2. So we have 7 over 9 times 1 over 2 times 21 over 9. Are you with me?
Yeah.
So 3 here. I want to check if we made a mistake. I brought this. Okay. So let me check. After we finish doing this, we have this, and we have 7 over 9 times 11 over 20 divided by 99 over what? So 10. So according to board maths, let's do this. According to board maths, we do this first, division first, before we go into multiplication. So if we do that first, we have 7 over 9 bracket 11 over 20 times 210 over 99. Are you all listening?
Yes, sir.
So 0 cancel 0 here. 11 here is 1. 11 here is what? 9. So here we have 1 times 21 is 21. We have 7 over 9 times 21 over 2 times is what? 18. So 3 here is 3. 3 here is 7. 7 times 7 49. 3 times 18 is what?
54.
54. None of can reduce both of them to the lowest step. That's actually the answer. Okay, now I'm going to give you a question. Look, I will recap on it. Let me resolve the question. Wait. If you say you don't understand, let me resolve. Now let me change the question. The question says 7 over 9 times 11 over 20 divided by brackets 2 over 3 plus 1 over 2. Look at the question and know whether it's empty. Bracket 2 over 3 plus 1 over 2 minus 4 over 5 close bracket of 1 over 2 over 7. Is that the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, according to the question, we say the LCM of this 7 over 9 times 11 over 20. Are you with me? Divided by this will give us 30. 30 going to this will give us what? 30 going to this is 10. 10 times this is 20. Plus 20. 30 going to this will give us 15. 15 times this is what? 15. Minus 30 going to 5 will give us what? 30 going to 5 will give us 6 times this is what? 24. Off. This times this is 1 plus this will give us 9 over 7. So we have it 7 over 9 times 1, 11 over. Are you with me?
Yes.
Divided by this plus this will give us 35. 35 minus 24 over 30 of 9 over 7. Remember we're making it a board. So if you minus this, we have it 11 over 30. So you have 7 over 9 times 11 over 20 divided by 11 over 30 times 9 over what? 7. Listen, you have to obey off before you do more division. You have to do off before what? Division. So if you do this, you'll be having this times will give us 99, and this times this will give us what? 7 times 3 is 21, as equal to 210. So this alone is this 99 over 210. We have 7 over 9 times 11 over 20. 11 over 20. Where is the first one? 11 over 20. 11 over 20. It's divided by 99 over 2. 99 over 210. We can actually reduce this 99 over 210 by what can go? 3. 3 here is what?
33.
And 3 here is what? 70. So we have 7 over 9 times 11 over 20 divided by 33 over 70. So, listen, pay attention. Here you reciprocate, you have 7 over 9 times 11 over 20 times 70 over 33. 0 cancel 0. This here 1, this here 3. So, we now have 7 times 7 is what? 49. 3 times this will give us what? Remember that 3 times 2 is what? 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 18. 18 times 3, 54. Did you understand it now?
Yes.
Now that's the answer. I'm giving you a question to solve. Solve this question. Please don't noise. Please, at least you get 2 out of the 3. I'm giving you 3 questions. Look, please let me on the fan. Okay, off it. Off it. Anyone in team is not the This all properly. minutes. For those who are not done. And if you are done, appreciate your work. Make sure you get everything. No, I want. It's not Nigerian. Is this comment?
Is this?
Is this comment? Is this comment?
Yes.
That means it's not Nigerian.
Yes.
Okay, I want to start with the correction. You're not done.
Sir, I did not write it.
Why?
I don't understand it.
Okay. But well, you understood what I thought about addition and subtraction, right? What I'm doing is you start attention again.
Stop, please.
What's the topic question? Is it, I thought you said you are the fastest in your class or something.
I said.
Now, something happened here. While if you use off, you will get different answer. Like if you observe the word of as first before division, you get different answer. Then, if you turn it to multiplication at first, see in bracket in solving multiplication, they say you should do off first, even before multiplication. Are you with me? So now, if you turn this thing into multiplication here, you know that this number will turn down. So if you turn this to multiplication, that means you are going to be doing division before. You are going to be reciprocating this number alone. But if you do it before this, that means when you are reciprocating it, this number is affected by this doing this inverse. Let me explain. This is 7 over 9 times 11 over 20 divided by this of, according to board mass, of comes before division. So we are meant to multiply this together. This will give us 11 over, this particular thing here, will give us 11 over 30. 11 over 30 multiply first with 9 over 7. So if you multiply with 9 over 7, you'll be having next 9 over 210. But in another way around, if you decide not to multiply, if you solve this kind of question and you don't get your answer, depending on the examiner, two of them may not get the answer. So if you didn't get your answer according to the examiner, if you didn't see it in the option, if you did not see it in the option, then what you will do in your solving, that means the examiner doing their solving, because every question in exam or in test, the person must have or should have, is expected to have solved it before putting it out there. So what you will do first to check whether your answer is there is to now do 7 over 9 times 11 over 20. Please make sure you suspend whatever you're doing. If you're not done, look here, I've started. So divided by this will give us 11 over 30 times, turn this into times 9 over 7. Now don't do this off first, even though it is off. If you have tried doing it and it didn't go through, don't do it off, then reciprocate this one. That is inverse due to this division. We are having 7 over 9 times 11 over 20 times 30. 30 go up and 11 down. This thing doesn't affect now. This thing remains as multiplication. 9 over 7. So here, 9 can go as far as this to cancel 9. 7 can travel here to cancel 7. 11 can do that here, and 0 can cancel 0 here. So we have 3 over 2, which is 1 over 1 over 2, or 1.5, or what? 1.5. Now, let's go to the question I gave you as class work. Exchange your books to math. Okay, you're not done. You're delaying other school apart.
Something.
It's okay, be fast.
But please don't say
Please, please, every blessed day, make sure you solve not less than 200 questions before you sleep.
But sir, Monday is midterm test. It's true.
I can pardon you for next week because of the midterm test. But I will share a book after midterm break.
You what?
I will share a book. I will share long note after midterm break. And that long note I'm going to share is only for, it's not even for the lesson. Lesson, your parents should buy for it. That long note I'm going to share for everybody is for you solving Ugo and Turkish and what. So every blessed day, you write day 1. We are going to do it 30 days challenge. Let's see how far we go. Day 1, you do 200 questions. Day 2, 200 questions. Day 3, 200 questions. Let's do it. We are going to do it till 30 days. I said I'm going to pardon till next week after midterm test will start.
Yeah, you want to do
Hello,
something.
please sit down. Come Hello, no noise. I want to start my correction.
Yes, I
You cannot
can
do
start
this.
your correction.
Please, all eyes on the board. All eyes on the board.
Yes, sir. All
What? Focus. So we have 5 divided by 1/10 of bracket 24 minus 14. David, come inside. Are you just coming? Huh? You say no? Are you just coming? Since when did you come? Since when did you come? Take your bag and come in here.
Sir.
It's okay, no problem. Hello, start with everybody. So here, listen. Here you work on this first. I'll let you go and do something first. Okay, now listen. Let me do that before I go back and do that. Try to everybody. Please, those present, especially those on site, listen. Here we have 5 divided by 1/10 of bracket. This minus this gives us what? 10 minus, and if you have done it as that, you can remove your bracket minus 5 plus 8. So you work on this first. You know that if you are working on this first, huh? Hello?
Yes, sir.
You know if you are working on this first, 0 can cancel 0. This is times, are you with me? So this can cancel this. So we are left with 1. So we have 5 divided by 1 minus 5 plus 8. Am I communicating?
Yes.
So we have 5 divided by 1 is what?
5.
Minus 5 plus 8. 5 minus 5 is what? 0. So plus 8. The answer is what? 8. How many of you got it?
Me.
Only 2 persons got it. And that's 2. The answer is just 8. Miss Emmanuel. Miss Emmanuel. Huh?
That's my.
No. Please, I'm right.
Yeah.
What you wrote is minus 8.
It's true.
I've not seen the minus. I'll come and back it.
You that wrote minus 42.
No noise, please.
I got the
It's right.
So that will be
Give me
Please sit down, please. Get back to your seats.
No battery. There's no What's the time?
Please be quiet. Please, I'm begging you. Be quiet. I'm trying to address the teacher. Everyone try attention. I said you don't want to go for a break. If you want to go for a break, then keep calm. Now, this is your answer. Number 2 question. You have, I'm actually sorry for excusing myself because I have to address the teacher. So we have one number 1 over 2 times one number 3 over 5 divided by 1 number 2 over 5. Normally you tell this. First of all, you don't multiply a number. Hello, young man. Make sure you are here. You don't multiply a number when the number is in improper fraction. You have to convert it from improper fraction to what? Mixed. Sorry, when the number is mixed number, or some people call it mixed number or mixed fraction. So you have to convert these mixed fractions to improper fraction. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, 3 over 2. Times, this times is what? 5 plus this, 8 over 5. Divided by 3 times this is what? 5 plus 2, 7 over 5. So we have 3 over 2 times 8 over 5 times 5 over 7. Now you do the multiplication, you turn this to multiplication, then inverse or that reciprocates the next fraction, which is 5 over what? 7. Are you with me? 2 here is 1, 2 here is 4. Nothing 5 here 1, 5 here 1. 3 times this is 12 times 1. 12. 12 over 7. 1 by 7 is 7. So this is the answer, but you can put that one whole number 5 over 7. Are you with me? So listen, please, pay attention. Pay attention, everybody. Are you listening to me?
Yes.
How many of you got this?
If I change my own to Frank, this
You
one.
not get it.
You did not get it.
I wrote this one.
Give me this. I wrote it like now.
It's okay, please.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. Stop.
Okay, number 5. Sit beside. On the other side. On the other side.
Yes, got it. Come in. Got it.
The wife will comment it naturally. Now listen. So I'm interested in this question because I'll use that to explain something. Please pay attention. When I have a question like this is especially seeing the way they place this all over. This is 4 divided by 2 over 5. So this 2 over 5 is a single entity itself. So this 2 over 3 is an entity of its own divided by 2. So we'll be putting something like 4 divided by, turn it into, just like I said, so it will be 4 divided by 2 over 5. Pay attention. You can even put it in a bracket. Minus 2 over 3 divided by what? 2 plus 3 divided by, convert please, if you convert this, it will give us what? 3 over 2. Make sure you are looking at the board, please. So now you'll be having 4 times, this go up, you'll be having 5 over what? 2. Divided minus, this will have 2 over 3 times 1 over, this is all over 1, so 1 go up and 2 come down, plus 3 times, this go up, because I'm going to multiplication, 2 over what? 3. 3 will cancel 3, 2 will cancel 2, 2 here 1, 2 here 2. 2 times this is what? 10 minus 1 times 1 is 1, so we have 1 over what? 3 plus this will give us plus what? 2. Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
You are not wrong to even go with ones with positive. This is positive, this is positive. If you decide to even say this plus this will give us what? 12. So you have 12 minus 1 over 3, which is, you know, when you have a whole number minus a fraction, take 1 from the whole number. Let's take 1 from the.
Listen, you have comments, just that this country now. I need to check the settings of this. I'll take the end this thing.
I'm posting this correctly.
Yes, yes.
It will be deleted after taking the right?
Yes. So you just leave it there because I'll need to publish it. Oh Jesus, how do I use to turn off this chat?